Welcome to another episode of Kiwi's Cooking Crew. And today I have an original recipe for you. And today what I got for you is an Italian sausage rotel roll. And so as you can see, I have some ground Italian sausage. This is the mild sausage. If you want to use spicy, you can. It's just your choice. Now with this sausage, you really just have to break it down, break it up into pieces because it just doesn't break down like ground beef or anything like that. So as you can see me, I'm just kind of chopping it up to break it down. And once I got it broken down just a little, here I'm going to just add a little salt. That salt is just going to enhance the flavor. You know, salt enhances the flavor of just about anything. So just add a little salt, and then I'm going to just continue to break it down just a little more. Just those little big pieces, just try to break those down. And then we're going to add some cream cheese. I like to use the whipped cream cheese just because it just melts easier than the packaged cream cheese that you have. And then you're going to add a can of Rotel. And then we're just going to mix that up and just blend that in with that Italian sausage really good until we get a nice little blend. And now just look how that just broke down once you got some of that cheese melted there. Okay, so now on to the next part of this recipe. This is the ranch packet. However, I did use the Fiesta just because it just have a lot of seasoning with it. And you just mix that in like so. But you can definitely use the other, just a regular ranch, but this one just gives it so much more flavor. And so I just added some garlic powder. You can be a little heavy. It's not salt based. And then from there, we're going to add some Italian seasoning to it. And then with that, we're just going to continue to mix it, just to make sure that we do have a really great blend of that. And once you're done with that, we're going to set that to the side so that it can cool. And what you see here, you see me just adding a little flour to this rack here. And the reason I'm adding that flour here is just because this dough, it just tends to stick. Now this dough is the Pillsbury Croissant dough. And you just want to roll it out slowly. And you see I got a little breakage there, but that's something I can work with. I'll just put that back together to make it work. So just try to be a little gentle with this. It always gives me such a hard time. And as you can see, I'm breaking it apart, so you'll just follow these directions as so. And once you get like a little rectangle there, you're just going to set the rest of it to the side. And now what we're going to do, we're going to just take that mixture that I made and we're going to just add that on as so. And if you have a different way you want to roll this up, you can do it however you want to. This is just the best way for me. I tried to be a little creative at times. Most times it just definitely did not work for me. And then you want to add some mozzarella cheese just to kind of give it a nice little pull. When you just break it apart, there's nothing like that little pull there. All right, and then you're going to just take another rectangle, and what you're going to do with that, you're just going to place it on top. Just get those sides together, and you're going to just roll it up. That's why I called it a roll. Oh yeah, those little air pockets there, you know, you can just meld those together. And flip it over and you're just gonna roll it up. And as many as you're going to do, just do as many of those as you choose to. I will say one pack of the croissant, it will make two of those big rolls, but those rolls can be split in two once they come out. And you're just gonna preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and you're gonna cook this for about 25 minutes. Just really depends on your oven. So I would say just check it at least every 10 minutes to just kind of see where it's at. Okay, so now we have some butter. We're gonna make some garlic butter. And so I just melted some butter, and I'm using the juice from the minced garlic that you can buy in the grocery store. And then from there, I'm just gonna add just a little parsley to it, and I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm going to just brush that garlic butter all over. That look like it's gonna be so good and tasty. Okay, and once you're done, just put that in the oven. And once you get it out the oven, this is what it should look like. And just want to give it just one more brush of that garlic butter. They're so pretty. So here's your end result. So if you like what you see, just make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and tell all of your friends. Until next time, bye.